The Cubot P80 is Cubot's latest budget stylish smartphone. It has a beautiful design and a camera layout that is similar to the Pro versions of the iPhone 13 and 14. In this video, I'll be comparing the specs of the Cubot P80 with its predecessor. That's the Cubot P60 to see how better it is when compared to the Cubot P60. So without further ado, let's dig into it. So the Cubot P80 weighs 217 grams and it is 9.75mm thick, while the P60 weighs 198 grams and it is 9mm thick. The Cubot P80 boasts a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 60Hz refresh rate, while the Cubot P60 has a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a 60Hz refresh rate. The Cubot P80 is powered by the MT8788V, paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, while the Cubot P60 is powered by the MT6765, that's the Helio P35, paired with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. The Cubot P80 runs on the latest Android 13, while the P60 runs on the Android 12 operating system. The P80 is backed by a 5200 mAh battery. Cubot never made mention of this device supporting fast charging or not, so I believe that it doesn't support fast charging. The P60 is backed by a 5000 mAh battery, so it's slightly lesser than the P80. It also doesn't support fast charging. In terms of camera, the P80 is equipped with triple rear cameras, a 48MP primary sensor, 2MP macro, and a 0.3MP photosensitive lens, while the P60 is equipped with dual rear cameras, a 20MP primary sensor, and a 0.3MP auxiliary camera. The front-facing camera of the P80 is 24MP, while that of the P60 is 8MP. The P80 supports Face ID, it has a side fingerprint scanner, and it supports Bluetooth 4.2, while the P60 supports Bluetooth 5.0, it supports Face ID, it also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. So there we go, guys. Obviously the P80 is a better device, which is expected, but of course both devices are budget smartphones, so perhaps if you're interested in getting your hands on super cheap devices that are capable of handling basic tasks, then you might want to check out the Cubot P80 and the P60. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about these devices, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.